In 2025, we hope to see XRP reach double digits, as discussed in this episode. The knowledge tree is the topic at hand. They have officially filed the S140 XRP ETF. We had a short flashback. Things that you should keep in mind about people are going to be discussed. Selling Michael's Bitcoin investment would only make him 30 times wealthier than he is now. Allow yourself some time to absorb it. Declined by 1.61% in the past day. By 3,613 hours, I will have arrived. Currently, it is 2.1% lower. At its current price of $2.38, XRP's value is still on the rise and pushing. It was probably sitting around $2.25 when I awoke this morning. A 24.6% increase has been recorded in the past day. Maintaining a small premium over their respective currency pegs is acceptable for USDT and USDC. We'd like to thank everyone who listened and take a look at the H-bar, which we dubbed the 5-cent bar. It has been executed 5 times. Wow, this is massive. There are significant advantages, and we will continue to raise the H-bar. We are only at the beginning of greatness. This one is out now. Hi there, everyone. Where is the cryptocurrency market at the moment? Can you believe it? As of now, Bitcoin price remains below $100,000. We have accomplished so much more. Neither can I. I just need a small amount. The fact that XRP is presently trading for $2 to 40 cents is absolutely unbelievable. Incredibly, it is. I was hoping we would break 75 cents by year's end, but we ended up doing a lot more. The fact that we almost tripled my aim is bullish. A bullish one, not a Van Gogh code. Michael Saylor allegedly purchased XRP instead of Bitcoin, according to him. Can you believe it? If he did this, his current income would be 30 times higher. Are you sure about that? In your opinion, how is Sarah? He decided to diversify a little bit, investing 1% of his Bitcoin into XRP since sell it wasn't exactly a blockbuster for Bitcoin. Imagine if this person could have invested his XRP into more Bitcoin, thereby increasing his wealth. Provided an on-air demonstration of how to buy XRP, a cryptocurrency they referred to as Ripple. Listen closely. The Windows 2057 cents is commonly known as the Ripple Watch. The days of easy money, how I long for them. When is the next episode of Fast Money going to include the XRP Big Watch? At what point will XRP actually be shown on screen when different news channels talk about it? They labeled XRP as a real ticker and people seek it out rather than misleading them by posting Ripple. Where can I find the Ripple token? The fact that Ripple is a private company making stock sales means that they can't find it. When exactly will the ticker that says XRP/Coinbase go live? The XRP ETF's S1 was formally submitted to the SEC by /xrpcrypto.com wisdom tree, not by deceiving or misleading customers. After we have one ETF, the next step is to write it and have the SEC approve it. Do not forget that all other things will inevitably follow. A number of XRP ETFs will be accessible, just as there was not a single Bitcoin exchange-traded fund. As XRP Spice continues to rise and pump, all of the institutional money and e-tests will start to flow in. Right now, I'm telling you to make sure you have a plan B. You need to know when to cash out and when to sell. And you should also commit your strategy to paper and stick to it. Trusting me is the biggest error holders can make, so execute, 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 execute. I went in 2017. Hundreds of thousands of dollars were sitting on the table because I didn't cash out once during the previous 2 bull cycles. The price is $3 if you aim for your first nugget. Your exit strategy needs to be in sync with those figures. There, it's 10% and it might be $6. It's imperative that you sell if the price continues to rise. Setting it to 6, 6, 57, 7, and 58 allows you to leverage out each step. In the end, the goal of the run-up is to find that sweet spot, the middle ground between the two extremes. A solid exit strategy is available to you. We will never master the art of timing these markets. That XRP is about to hit $13, and that everything should be sold at that price is not something anybody has claimed, as far as anyone knows. Going back to where it was before is not going to happen. Even though no one knows about it, I'm going to crank out 8, 8, 59, 9, and 10 if you say it's fine between 8 and 13. Here you can see the average of your highest cost dollars. Regarding quitting your job and making money, Solana is an even more depressing option. As far as incoming is concerned, A significant chunk of her experience is characterized by discernible price fluctuations. Most recently, she saw prices soar to $264 before plunging sharply. Every one of my Solana pals is out there. Solana is abundant in my possession. Where shall we go from this point on? Above Solana, it is recommended to hold at 221. First, let's assess where we are right now. We have reached 225 now. Solana is a critical support level at $221 and its maintenance suggests a break of this. But if that's the case, maybe we'll fall into the low 200s, but if we can keep going, we'll be able to reclaim Solana's all-time high of $264. Solana is shelling out a whopping $1,000 to $800, you know. The infant Solana is still a baby. Finally, an ETF is also in the works for this economy. We want you to be careful out there. The escrow rumor, he says, immediately contradicts Ripple's. According to the RLUSD announcement, all of the tokens backing will come from US dollars, short-term US Treasury bonds, and other liquid assets. Officials in charge of cryptocurrency regulation would look down on RLUSD supported by XRP because, let's face it, more and more tweets and ideas are coming from complete crypto newbies, claiming that the RLUSD folks will receive support from all of the rippling escrow is false. Escrow is no longer open. Early release is not in the cards. The RLUSD Ripple will not be backed by cash. It's pretty common, you know. Just mentioning the XRP hashtag or blockchain boxes is enough to get people to click on your post these days. Shortly after the market closed, XRP's valuation surpassed its 2018 all-time high. I'm bullish on it. This is going to be an incredibly interesting day to observe XRP's trajectory if we can proceed. In the near future, we can aim for the previous price, which is around $2.50, if we can overcome this push-up and set a new record. Or in 2018, when we reached nearly $2.86, surpassing the previous record set 7 years ago. It is called $3. The amount was never $3.92. It was a mistake in pricing made in South Korea. We were never able to get to that height. You can see that the overlay displays the identical fractal that happened on XRP in 2016, as I showed you in the chart.